Hi! In front of me is Huawei MatePad 11 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. Start by opening Settings. Then scroll down and choose Biometrics and Password. Now click on Face Recognition and enter your current login method. After that, tap on Unlock Device and choose Get Started. Remember to keep your face in frame. Now over here you can name your profile. And when you're ready, choose Done. Now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is slide up to open my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!